guys, this is an Eid special video, and in this particular look we are going to go all out with our eyes and try and keep everything else toned down. So let's begin. Because this eye look is going to be intense and we don't want any fallout to then ruin our base, we're going to first do our eyes and then go on to our base. So for this look, I'm going to use a scotch tape. I'm going to cut a small strip out of this. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll just place it on our palm and remove the glue this way so that it is not too harsh on our face and doesn't leave any kind of mark. And then I'm going to place it here, following the lower lash line, but I'm leaving a little space there because we are also going to do an intense lower lash line for this look. So this way, I'm going to place the same thing on the other side. Once you have the tape on both sides, you have to ensure that they are placed in the same manner. Otherwise, both your eye will start looking different at the end of the look. As an eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using this dark copperish gold illuminator from Inglow on my eyelids. I'm going to take a very little of this product and apply just this much on both of my eyelids. Now I'm using my Tarte palette and I'm going for these neutral shades of, this is an orangey brown, and I'm going to mix this light brown as transition color, and I'm going to go on the crease of my lids. And in circular motion, I'm going to place this color right outside the crease. Now using the same fluffy brush, I'm taking a darker brown and we're going to slowly intensify the crease. Now we are almost on the crease. I'm not going all the way inside, I'm just trying to still stay in the outer corners. And I'm also now going to go closer to the lash line and almost go in a C kind of motion. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush which doesn't have any color, and I'm just going to blend further so that everything is very well blended and there are no harsh lines. Now that we have achieved the blending that is desired, now I'm taking the similar gold, which is an copperish gold from the same palette, on a flat brush, and I'm going to tap this color all over the gold, starting from inner corner and then slightly with whatever's left in my brush, I'm going to go slightly over the brown, but I'm still staying inside my eyelid. Now I'm using a small fluffy brush, which is also a blending brush, and I'm just going to go in the outer corners of the gold that we have applied. Next, I'm taking the Shambour Blackiest Black Extreme Ice Pencil and I'm going to go very close to the lash line and draw a very thin liner. Now I'm taking a small brush like this and I'm going to blend this liner outwards, drawing a wing. Now that we're done with both the eyes, we are going to remove the tape. We get a very nice sharp angle here, but at the same time our liner is very blended like this. Now in a small brush, I'm going to take this lighter gold color and I'm going to apply it on the brow bone. I'm going to start by using this primer from Makeup Forever. This is the HD primer in this area. Now I'm taking my Studio Fix foundation from MAC at the back of my palm, and then I'm going to mix it with this Becca highlighter. This is in shade Opal. This is a liquid illuminator. I'm going to add a pump of this to my foundation. Now I'm going to use the orange corrector from LA Girl. Now I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I'm also using the contour color from LA Girl. I'm going to place it around my nose to enhance my cheekbones, on my forehead, and to enhance my chin. Now I'm going to blend both of these concealer and the contour. Now that everything is blended, I'm going to set the makeup using a loose powder, and I'm also going to bake my under eyes, for which I'm going to take a lot of powder on my sponge and I'm going to place it on my under eyes. In this process, what happens is that the makeup sets itself very well. Now that our under eyes are on baking, in the meantime, I'm going to take a dark brown color on an angular brush and I'm going to fill in the gaps in my brows. Now I'm going to use this green pencil from Maybelline. This is the Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil, and I'm going to go with this on the lower lash line. And now I'm taking this color from the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, which is a dark greenish blue color, and a small brush which I'm going to use to now intensify this line. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow on the same small brush and I'm going to blend this black to this green. I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil to fill in my waterline. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use this Colossal mascara from Maybelline and put 2 to 3 coats of mascara on my lashes. Dusting off this baking that we had done. Now I'm applying the MAC blush in the shade Peaches and the highlighter from the Huda Beauty 3D palette. I'm going to use these lashes from PAC Cosmetics. Now to go on to lips, I'm going to use a red lip liner from MAC Cosmetics. Lastly, I'm going to top up this lip liner with the Ruby Woo from MAC Cosmetics. Now this is looking a little too bright for my liking, so I'm just going to add a little bit of this brown color from my lipstick palette. And I'm going to mix it with this red to get a darker maroonish red kind of a shade.